Welcome to JSK Kitchen. Today we are going to make khichu. Khichu is our Gujarati delicacy. So let's start the recipe. For that we have taken 2.5 cups of water to boil. Once the water boils, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of jeera, which is cumin seeds. Then we will add salt to taste. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now turn off the stove, and now we have to add 2.5 cups of rice flour. Now quickly mix everything with a rolling pin so no lumps forms. Now everything is mixed well. Now transfer khichu in microwave safe bowl. Now put khichu in microwave for 5 minutes. As you can see, after 5 minutes our khichu is ready. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of methi sambhar. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Wow, our khichu is ready now. It looks amazing and it tastes amazing too. Serve hot with oil. If you like my recipe, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching JSK Kitchen.